Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back to Reading and Phonics with Mrs. Shaw. As always, I am so happy to have you here with me today to learn about what we're going to do this week and all the learning we're going to do to help make you a better reader. Let's get started looking at our slideshow. So this week for reading, our learning goal is I can identify the topic and central idea of an informational text. Boys and girls, an informational text is a book that teaches about a topic. For instance, if you'll look over here at our anchor chart, it could be about people or animals or places or events or things. The topic in an informational text is what the text is mostly about in one or two words. That means you're not going to go into a long talk about what it's about. You might say the book is about pandas or the book is about airplanes. It's a short topic identification that you will do to let others know what it is about. The central idea is the most important idea in a text. In kindergarten, finding the topic and the central idea could look like magazines, procedural text, which is telling you how to do something, such as how to build a bicycle. It could be looking at a menu, nonfiction or informational text, and even pamphlets that you might find, say, at the doctor's office that talk about a certain thing. Informational text characteristics include text and graphic features, such as the table of contents, captions that you'll see in the book. Sometimes the print is bolded, and that tells you that that is an important vocabulary word in the book. Sometimes you might even see diagrams. Informational text structures might include compare and contrast, the central idea. You'll be looking for the supporting facts, the description, and the cause and effect. Those are the things that you will be doing this week. And I have selected some books that I hope that you will find very interesting to help you do that. In phonics this week, we are moving on from beginning sounds and going into ending sounds. Our learning goal for this week is I can identify the ending sounds in words. What is an ending sound? An ending sound is the last sound that you hear in a word. For example, if I tell you the word log, the ending sound in log is g. If I tell you the word pot, the ending sound in the word pot is t. Let's look at a couple of examples from this chart. Here we have hop, zip, and can. Two of these things have the same ending sound, and one of them does not. Say the words with me, boys and girls. Hop, zip, can. Which of these words does not have the same ending sound as the other? If you guessed can, you are correct, because hop and zip have the same ending sound. Let's do one more and then I'll let you practice the rest. Here we have jam, dog, and rug. Say them with me. Jam, dog, rug. Which of these words does not have the same ending sound as the others? If you said jam, you are correct. Dog and rug both end with the g sound. Let's move on. Time to watch a video together.
Hi, kindergarten. Today we're going to be talking about main topic and key details. The main topic is who or what the text is telling us about. We also have key details in informational or fiction texts. These key details tell us about the main topic as we read. Let's think about an example. If my main topic was our classroom rules, the key details would be all of the different rules in our classroom. For example, rule number 2, raise your hand for permission to speak. All of these key details help tell us more about the main topic. Another example would be a book that's all about sports. So the main topic of the book would be sports. And then the key details would be all types of different sports like cheerleading, soccer, baseball, gymnastics. Let's take a look at these 2 pages from an informational text. On the first page, I see a photograph of 3 bins. I see a blue, a green, and a yellow bin. Underneath that, the text says, we can recycle them. Recycling makes something new out of something old. On the next page, it says, the symbol means recycle. You will see it on the bottom of things you can recycle or on cans and bins that collect things to be recycled. Let's think about the main topic and the key details of the text that we just read. Since the text was all about recycling, that would be my main topic. The author of the text also used key details to talk about the main topic, recycling. The first key detail I read was, recycling makes something new out of something old. Another key detail from the text was, there is a special symbol that shows us if something can be recycled. And the author even added a photograph of that symbol for us to see. Next time you read a book, I want you to think about the main topic that the author wrote about and the key details that the author gives to.
All right, boys and girls, thank you for watching that video with me. So something I want you to practice this week is listening for the details in the story to help you identify what the topic of the story is. The book. I want you to listen to the details and identify the details to help you find the topic in the book, or what we call an informational text. As a reminder, I want you to keep working on your awesome reading habits. Remember, have a family member read a book to you every day. Spend 15 to 20 minutes looking at or reading books. Take a trip to your local library if it is safe to do so. And ask for books as a reward instead of toys or candy. I hope you have a wonderful week of reading. I will see you next time, readers.